Welcome to Longarm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on a beautiful quilt done by Mary, and she is my Bonnie Hunter girl, and I'm loving this one. It is tiny. I had a little ruler with me. Oh my goodness, what did I do with that? That's okay, we'll just take my measure. And these little squares here, oh, sorry, it's in this position, are only like 1 inch. They are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So that is definitely a scrap buster. We're just going to resume here with Walt, so I can kind of pay attention to him. Some lumpy, bumpy seams, but that's the way it goes. It's all good. Love the fabric combination that she has going on in here. It is beautiful. She chose a cerulean blue thread for the stitch out and a meander, which doesn't really take up a lot of thread. I loaded like 3 bobbins for this, and I think I'm only going to use 1. So yeah, it's quite pretty. It fills the space nicely. It's a very neutral stitch out, like either a paisley or a circle, meander, circular meander, city skylines, all those sorts of beautiful, easy stitch outs that make it not at all very gender neutral. So it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love the strip piecing on the side here, as well as that she did a base stitch all the way around with her fabrics. That was amazing. It's very awesome, very awesome. It makes it much easier when you're trying to square out your project or work on your project to finishing it up, that you're giving yourself that little base stitch all the way around when you got some edges just like this. So note to you, okay? Beautiful fabrics, lovely bright colors, absolutely gorgeous. Now this is very time consuming, and I understand that with a lot of scrappy quilts. It takes a lot of time to deal with it, which is good because for one, you're dealing with your scraps, and two, you're consuming, time that you have or you want to spend doing that craft. Okay. Absolutely gorgeous. Love that blue, that pop of blue all over the fabric. It's gorgeous. I love that circle fabric too. And a cute little panda, like OMG. OMG, the cutest little panda I ever did seize. It's a beautiful purple fabric there. And the meander is just doing little not loops, just little curves here, curves there, curves here, curves there. It's more like a puzzle piece sort of look to them when it comes to the meander. And I'm just making sure things are just laying straight. We're not going to get any puckers or anything like that. So some quilts, if there's more seams than not, I kind of have to have a little babysitting hand on top of it as it's going across. Just making sure that things are laying flat, nothing's going to get puckered, nothing's going to get folded, that sort of thing. Sometimes it doesn't always work that way, and you still have to put in a pleat or a tuck or something like that because the fabric is just too much in that area. Maybe it's a bit of a stretchy fabric, whatever. There's 101 reasons things can happen. But this is a very beautiful, beautiful quilt. I like that little thin border that she's got going on here before the lovely tanny neutral tones here. That's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Cute little, cute. Love the color choices, especially from that darky blue background here, and then all those big brights like that orange and yellow and bright green and that bright red. Absolutely gorgeous. Well done, Mary. Well done. And I like it that it's a little 4-patch on point. And then the one in the center, I think it's just what's called a floating diamond or something like that. I forget what they call that. But it's very pretty. And I think it suits it nicely. It's kind of like big crosses, like big X's, big hugs, you know. Indeed. So if you're looking for a way to bust your scraps, there's lots of free websites out there. Just go looking for, you know, free scrappy quilt patterns or free scrap quilt patterns, or even just check out the Bonnie Hunter website. She's got loads on there free. We've done a few of them free here ourselves here at the quilt shop. And it just really gets you to thinking about what fabric you have in your stash and how you can use it to make something beautiful. Mixed colors. We mixed brown and blue, and I think it turned out really nice when we made a big cute snowflake. So, and that snowflake could have been a poinsettia, it could have been a flower, it could have been this, it could have been that. There's many different things how you can lay it out via your color scheme and how you place those colors. You could have changed it into 100 different things, right? You could have had this rainbow from the center all the way out on it. That was a free pattern. So, yes, explore your stash. That's what it's there for. You are supposed to use it. That is the rumor. Like that turquoise too. That's a beautiful, beautiful color. Lovely, lovely. See, like there's little intersections right there where there's seams are really kind of prominent. So we want to make sure, you know, needle wasn't going to balk or have a little hissy fit or anything else like that. Or the machine. And that's why I've slowed the machine down a little bit as well. Just to make sure it has time to process those seams. Okay, like right there. There's another one. You can hear it. Just do a little chunk, trying to get through it. Got a lovely blue flannel backing. It's a dark, dark blue, like a nice dark navy blue. It's very, very lovely. I love Mary's backings. They're always flannel and they're gorgeous. Very nice. Love that yellow too. Nice and bright, especially against that green. Got lovely bright colors in there to help brighten up the whole quilt. That's for sure. Now, if you have a favorite website that you go to for free patterns or something like that, feel free to share the link below or leave a comment below in the chat. We welcome your feedback. If you would like to see something done here on the long arm or using the long arm or what have you, just let us know. You know, we've made our own patterns as well by taking or having photos from nature and taking that and making something out of it. So, you know, feedback and comments are always good. Beautiful. All right, I'll let you watch Walt for just a little bit longer, and you guys have yourself an amazing day. And I'm going to continue working on my little stack of quilts from Mary. And as soon as she has a place on Etsy to sell her quilts, I will let everybody know. All right, so share the love. Share the love. All right, take care, everybody. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you real soon. Okay.